One thing I love about Cricut Design Space is how we can add and upload patterns. But one thing that used to really infuriate me a little bit is how we couldn't then delete them. So if you accidentally uploaded a pattern more than once, or you no longer wanted that pattern in your library, there was no way of getting rid of it. Well, now there is. So I wanted to share that with you in case you hadn't spotted it yet. So if I click on one of my gift tags here and I want to add a pattern, I've already got the operation set to print then cut. I'm going to click on the color, go to the drop down and change it to pattern. And then I can pick one of my patterns here and maybe I'll edit that one. Perhaps I'll scale it to 50 instead. Oh no, maybe I'll go the other way, maybe 150 with that stripy one. There we go. But what if I want to delete a pattern from my library? So let's go back. I need to click on one again. Let's click on this one, go back to the color drop down, change it to pattern. So here are all my patterns, but let's find one to delete. Maybe I'll delete one of these photographs because I add photographs sometimes as a pattern to use it like one, but I can delete them now. So I'm going to click on this one here, and now I've got this amazing delete icon. Make sure you're clicking on the right one, of course, although you'll have to upload it again otherwise. I'm going to hit delete. Do you want to delete this? It's going to be permanent. Okay, goodbye. And let's delete that one too. Goodbye. And it's as simple as that. So let's say I've added this particular pattern onto my gift tag here. Now this isn't a seamless one, as you can see, so I'd actually play around with that more, but forget the fact that it doesn't look great right now. And you can see here that I've added this pattern in twice. So it's an example of when I've maybe duplicated it, perhaps I forgot, perhaps I clicked twice, I don't know what I did there. But now I can just delete it. So let's click on this one, maybe that we don't want anymore. Delete. Okay. And that one is gone. Maybe I'll change it to that one instead. There we go. Again, I would change the layout of that one, but now I can delete this one too. So I can delete the duplicate here. But if I want to delete a pattern that I've already selected here, I would have to just click away from it for now. So click onto a different one instead. There we go. And now I can delete this one. So, okay. There we go. I'm so happy that Cricut has this feature now, and I hope that you have found it too, and that you're enjoying using it because it just makes life so much easier when we can tidy up the pattern library in that way. Hooray! Let me know if you found this video helpful and if you have any other questions about Cricut Design Space that you would like me to answer in a video for you.